Hunshan City in China's Jilin province has seen surging imports of Russian king crabs, which helps make it a popular tourist destination for seafood. Hunshan is located at China's border with Russia and 71 kilometers away from the Russian port Zarubino. The Russian king crab used to be a luxury for Chinese consumers. In 2016, 2 land ports in Hunshan were approved as designated ports for seafood import. The opening of a freight route linking the city with Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula and the Zarubino port also helped cut the cost of seafood transportation. With facilitated transportation, Chinese consumers can enjoy fresher crabs with a more wallet-friendly price.
我们现在来的游客特别多，全国各地的都上我们这儿来。然后珲春现在就是因为海鲜特别物美价廉，基本上都是上这儿海鲜街来买，然后大家反馈特别好。
我们是从北京过来的，珲春这边的那个帝王蟹跟板蟹非常出名，所以我们就过来，然后买一些。
In the past, Hunshan used to be a backwater in terms of foreign trade due to underdeveloped trading channels. Over the years, Hunshan has grown to be one of the pacesetters for opening up in Jilin.